You're welcome to Remit Forex Academy, and as you can see, the market right here on Euro USD is trading at 1.05637 at this very area, and I'll be talking about this in today's analysis: GBP USD and AUD USD. One most important thing that I want you to know today is the fact that we are having this very important release today. That is the federal fund rate, which is going to happen today, 1st November 2023, and it's very important, guys. And I want to talk about this and what you should be expecting in your trading analysis after this release. So if you are new to this channel, Remit Forex Academy, please like the video, help subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this. If you look at this very area on the chart, we have this very rate here. Last rate was 0.50 basic point, and the forecast that the market is expecting is 5.50%. That means rates should remain unchanged. Okay, that is the two things here. And then the actual was actually this. Now today, which is this month, the market is here expecting rate to remain unchanged. So two things very important here that you have to take away is that this is not very certain. It's just a forecast. Okay, so it can be below forecast, it can be above forecast. But one thing I want you to note is that Fed cannot, or the possibility of them reducing interest rate is about 10%, but the possibility of them remaining interest rate unchanged is very high, and the possibility of them hiking interest rate is about 30 to 40%. So let's remove the one that is very low. Okay, that is the fact that they can reduce interest rate, which is about 10%. So let's remove that from the parameters. Now the next thing is if they can hike interest rate or keep interest rate unchanged. That means you need to focus on those two factors, and this is it. Now if Fed keep interest rate unchanged, this is what you should expect. That means if the value we see here as the actual is 5.50%, then that means expect Euro USD to move to the upside. That is my expectation. This is my own direction and bias. I will be expecting the market to move upward. That is what I will be expecting. Okay, the movement may not happen that immediate, but the next day we're going to see the market begin to move to the upside or almost immediately. The same thing you need to expect also on GBP USD. That means if Fed leave interest rate unchanged, that means this very month that will happen today around 7 p.m. Nigerian time, that is 19.00 GMT. So expect the market to move upward if they leave interest rate unchanged, and if there is interest rate unchanged as well on AUD USD, also expect the market to move upward against the dollars. If Fed hike interest rate, let's say by 0.25 basic point or by 0.50 basic point, then expect this market to continue to the downside. That means expect the market to move downward if there is a hike in interest rate. The same thing on GBP USD, expect the market to move downward. And on AUD USD as well, expect the market to also move downward. These are the various things you need to watch and monitor right now on USD pairs. Very important. So if you know how to trade interest rates and FOMC meeting statement, stay put to this very time and also watch what Fed is going to say about future release, because the FOMC Fed statement, which is going to be given by the Fed chairman, the person of Jerome Powell, is also going to impact on the market. So even though you see the market begin to react if interest rate is kept unchanged, the Fed statement is very important, because if Fed is very hawkish, then that means market will still have to go down even though the interest rate is left unchanged. These are key things you need to watch on the markets right now, and also on GBP USD If Fed statement is hawkish about future interest rate decision, then that also means that the market is going to come back down. So after the Fed interest rate release, so wait for the Fed conference, the FOMC meeting, okay, before you can now place a trade, which is about 30-minute difference. If you are new to this channel, please like the video, help subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.